Welcome to Health and Fitness with a new video. In today's video we will show you Top 9 benefits of potato juice for your skin and health. So watch the video till the end to get proper information. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Let's begin. Potato juice contains a host of nutrients, including vitamins B and C, potassium, calcium, iron, phosphorus, and copper. Since potato juice is nutrient-dense, it offers a wide range of benefits for the body. Let's take a look at some of them. Potato juice offers many benefits for our overall health. Some of these are backed by research, and some of them have been followed blindly since decades. 1. Boosts the immune system. Potatoes contain a significant amount of vitamin C, the nutrient that fights cold and infection and helps to strengthen the immune system. Drinking a glass of potato juice regularly wards off diseases and improves your immunity. 2. Relieves arthritis. Potato juice has wonderful anti-inflammatory effects that help to relieve most kinds of pain associated with swelling, inflammation, or redness. Drinking potato juice was believed to cure arthritis and other joint and back pains associated with arthritis. Traditional remedies also included applying compressed potatoes to the joints directly or taping a sliced potato to the joint to eliminate the soreness and pain. 3. Heals ulcers. Potato juice was found to have gastrointestinal protective effects. It may also help treat ulcers. 4. Detoxifies the liver and gallbladder. Potato juice is one of the most inexpensive ways to cleanse the liver and gallbladder. The Japanese use this juice to treat hepatitis. 5. Promotes healthy hair. Potato juice improves the overall health of the hair and treats conditions like dandruff, dryness, and itching of the scalp. All you need to do is take the juice of 2 raw potatoes and add 1 tablespoon of honey and the yolk of an egg. Apply this mixture to your hair roots and shampoo as usual after 1 hour. You will notice amazing results. After a few uses, your hair will grow faster, thicker, and stronger. 6. Treatment for migraines. It is said that raw potatoes and their juice have been used in European traditional medicine for centuries. You can rub a slice of potato or potato juice on the forehead and temples to relieve pain, stress, and even migraines. There is no scientific research done yet to back up this claim, but positive results have been recorded from people all over the world. 7. Makes your skin clear and blemish-free. Washing with cool potato juice may help clear facial blemishes. Though this is an ancient use, it still could work today. 8. Hydrates your skin. Potato juice contains high amounts of vitamin C, which is very beneficial for hydrating your skin. For deeper hydration, mix potato juice with yogurt and apply it on the skin. Rinse after 15 minutes, and you will notice your skin has turned brighter, tighter, and moistured. 9. Improves circulation. Potato juice contains an ample amount of niacin, a component of vitamin B complex. This vitamin not only helps increase our energy levels but also ensures the delivery of oxygen and essential nutrients to different organs of the body. Anecdotal evidence suggests that this nutrient may promote blood flow, thereby boosting normal body function. According to people who use this potato juice for health, the results are excellent. Use it. And share your opinion in the comment below. If you're new on the channel, then do subscribe the channel. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, be sure to subscribe our channel, because more incredible content on the way. Thank you for watching Health and Fitness.